As usual, everybody hold on to your hats. XRP, as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market, is heading down. But is this a breakout or bust moment? We're going to break it down exactly what's going on. Let's take a look at what some key traders believe is about to happen with XRP, as well as the Q4 XRP market report. Let's talk about that because it is wild. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with everything going on in this cryptocurrency bull market. With that being said, let's get into the video. So we'll get into a little bit more of the technicals in just a minute, but traders right now are just hanging on the fence to see exactly what's happened. I talked earlier about Donald Trump and kind of what he's doing with ISIS and Somalia and how this is really pushing the markets down. So definitely go and check that video out. But this is where it starts to get pretty interesting. 296 to 308 is the reflecting price. This is a big volatility range that we have. A 12% dip, in fact, 2.6 decline in the last 24 hours. Just shows how bad the altcoin market is going. But it's not all bad when it comes to XRP. In fact, there is lots of bullish sentiment. We're looking for a rebuffed break above 311. This could give us a strong push to the upside. In fact, we could even see a 275 rebound. We'll take a look at the charts in just a minute, so watch out for that. But what are traders predicting? Well, there is an assumption that in the channel that we are in, the measured move, in fact, we are about to see a potential breakout. We can see this. If we look at the channel's measured move, XRP's market cap could potentially rise to a staggering 4 trillion. While it's possible, predicting the timing of such move is tricky. If this happens, XRP price could reach around $70. The Elliott wave count looks clear and strong. The upper end of the channel is about 300 billion, which is definitely achievable in the near future. This will place XRP's price between $5 and $6. Look at the previous cycle from 2017. We could see the first stage reach 1.1 trillion, putting XRP's price in and around that $20 price range. Absolutely, in my opinion, very much plausible as to how this would get to. A $500 billion market cap would look around $17 to $20, which once again could well be possible given the trajectory and I guess kind of how we've been doing. You compound that with generally what XRP's done. Now you have to take this with a pinch of salt. Why? Because this obviously has had significant suppression over the course of the last number of years with the SEC. When you start to look at what that could look like though post the next few months, XRP starts to set for a pretty strong month. April looks pretty challenging, but May, also July, August, September, October, depending on what happens with the market, could signify a very strong few months for XRP. When you've got things like Japanese banks, adopting XRP is a massive game changer. And I've been talking about this now for a longest time, that we're seeing banks, Bank of America, HSBC, we saw SBI Holdings starting to get involved with XRP, and even the fact that we have the automated market maker clawback function. Go and check that video out that I dropped yesterday just to give you an idea of what that's. Importantly, this is obviously big news. Then you chuck in the Q4 market cap report from XRP, and let me tell you, it's pretty bullish indeed. We'll break down a couple of key things, but before we do that, don't forget, head on over to MEXC. They have got a fantastic opportunity right now to trade all of your favorite cryptocurrencies. In fact, they are offering you both $8,000 to sign up, 0% fees, and much more. Simply click the link in the description, join well over 100,000 users every single day, and that is growing, to go and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies. Also, don't forget, they've got some fantastic spot markets as well. So check the link in the description, go and claim your $8,000 worth of free bonuses for the link down below. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the XRP report, why this is important. Well, the fact that token price and volume, USD prices, obviously we're talking about here, we see XRP with a significant rally. We haven't seen this for a while, which is obviously really positive and seems to be growing in stature. Again, continuing in the uptrend. Akin to that, the XRP spot exchange volume ultimately saw that massive spike in December 2024. We are actually seeing it kind of just consolidate a little bit. It's starting to push a little bit further up. Obviously, following Trump's election, this is good news. You've also got a significant amount. However, I do want to reference the XRP spot exchange volume here. We actually are seeing an increase on a couple of different exchanges. We talked about the Korean exchange listing yesterday, but Binance, Bybit, Uphold accounted for 60% of the total traded volume. That is pretty wild as well. When we come down a little bit further, state of XRP Ledger, we've talked about this a number of times. RLUSD is the leading at global exchanges, and obviously is available with a number of different platforms. Uphold, Bitstamp, Bullish, Bitso, MoonPay, Independent Reserves, Mercado, Bitcoin, Coinmina, and more. And the stablecoin market, obviously, we know is a big deal. So lots of really positive things coming out. Likewise, the XLS40 amendment on decentralized identifiers in the XRP Ledger went live. Automated market makers, and once again, a multi-purpose token standard received a clean audit from soft stack MPTs, enabling the creation of more advanced tokens that can represent different types of assets, and rights by metadata. These are all good news and all, in my opinion, very, very bullish when you start talking about XRP and, more importantly, the channel in which we're going. Now, I'm not going to look too much into the great detail of the price action, but more importantly, the pattern that's playing out. Once again, if you caught my video yesterday, if you didn't, what you're doing, you should be subscribed with that notification bell on so you don't miss it. We talked about this pattern as this moves up. This could absolutely play out. It is a general uptrend pattern, but it's playing out very, very interestingly. I think we could come down, retest this lower range. Markets don't like what's going on right now before we then see the bounce and that push into a deep February gain. Likewise, then moving into March, April could actually see us retesting something like $4.20, which wouldn't be out of the realms of possibility. So lots of good stuff coming with XRP as well as the crypto market just right now. Well, it's a little bit painful, but hey, we've been here before. Watch out though for these breaks. Let me know your price predictions in the comments down below. And as always, let me know what you think of all of these banks getting involved. And if you know some alpha, let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks so much, everybody. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.